Welcome. If you're finding birthday notifications on Snapchat a bit overwhelming, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable those notifications on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll see a gear icon at the top right. This is your gateway to the app's settings. Go ahead and tap that gear icon to dive into the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on that, and it will bring up a list of your notification preferences. Here's the final step. Look for the option that says Friends' Birthdays. Simply unmark this option to disable birthday notifications. And just like that, you won't receive any more birthday reminders from Snapchat. So, to recap, open the app, tap your profile picture, access settings through the gear icon, select notifications, and unmark friends' birthdays. There you have it. You've successfully disabled birthday notifications on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.